How do you charge these JLab Go Air Sport earbuds anyway? A lot of people have trouble with this. That's because they see this thing on the back here and they don't realize this is a USB. That's one of the reasons. So what you do is, say you have a laptop here and you have USB on the side, you have a little USB port, you can just plug it right in there, like that. And then you see this little blue light there? See how that's blinking? That means it's charging. See, it's plugged into the side of the laptop. So you could do it there, or you could do this as well. You could take a cell phone charger like this. This is a Samsung cell phone charger, and it has a USB port on the side. And you could just plug it in there, like that. I know. Doesn't look like that would work, but it totally does. And here you go. Get this mouse out of the way. You just plug it in. Same thing. Blue light's blinking. That means it's charging. Now, there's one other thing here that people get confused about. And that is that when you're plugged in, you're charging the case. Okay? So the case is charging whenever this is plugged into an outlet or a USB port. But the earbuds themselves have a different battery in each of them, obviously, or they wouldn't be able to work. And they're not charging while the case is charging. Okay? So now that it's not plugged in, and I have these earbuds, these are pretty much fully charged, but I'll show you it. See that red light? That means that the earbuds are charging. Okay? Does that make sense? If you have a question, put it in the comments. Totally fine. But plugged in, you're charging the case. Once it's unplugged, you're charging the earbuds. Okay. If you have more questions about these, let me know. I've got a couple different versions of the JLabs, and I really like them. So I've played around with them for a while. So I know a little bit about them. Anyway, have a great day. Smash like for me. See you on the next one. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps me so much. Thank you.